Hi guys. Welcome to Science Info District. Let's see. What are the anti-drone technologies? Anti-drone technology is a field that deals with systems and devices used to detect, track, and neutralize unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, commonly known as drones. The use of drones has increased rapidly in recent years, and as a result, there is a growing need for methods to counteract their potential negative impact. The main purpose of anti-drone technology is to provide a means of defending against malicious or unauthorized drone activity, such as espionage, smuggling, or terrorism. There are several types of anti-drone technology available, including radio frequency jamming, GPS spoofing, laser disruption, and net guns. One, radio frequency jamming. This technology works by using a jamming device to interfere with the radio signals that control a drone, effectively rendering it unable to fly. These devices disconnect or jam the transmission between the drone and the operator. Few examples are Skylock and Aronia AG. 2. GPS spoofing. This technology involves creating false GPS signals to trick a drone into thinking it is in a different location, causing it to crash or become uncontrollable. This GPS spoofing can be done using different apps and programs. This is also called drone hacking. Three, laser disruption. This involves using a high-powered laser to disrupt the drone's vision or control systems, causing it to crash or become uncontrollable. China and USA are using lasers for military purposes. China is known to use mounted laser dazzlers. They have also used anti-drone and missile lasers for future military use. USA has also successfully tested fiber optic laser at White Sand Test Range, New Mexico. A high-energy laser can destroy most drones in seconds by heating the vehicle to a point where systems fail. Unlike jamming and microwaves, lasers are extremely accurate. When pointed precisely, they will kill intended targets while causing no collateral damage. Four, net guns. These devices use a net to physically capture a drone, allowing it to be safely retrieved for examination. Capture net guns types include handheld, suspended, horizontal launching, or helicopter mounted. Each unit can be sized according to needs and provides different advantages for different capture situations. 5. Anti-drone guns. Anti-drone guns are capable of capturing and shooting down dozens of targets at the same time. Their radars can track target in real 3D space, while huge machine gun aims and automatically and fires hundreds of accurate projectiles that can destroy any aerial drones. One example is Skynex, made by Germans, which can shoot 800 targets per minute with high precision and accuracy. These anti-drone guns are being used by Ukraine in Russia-Ukraine war. In conclusion, anti-drone technology is an important and rapidly growing field, as drones are increasingly being used for malicious purposes. By understanding the different types of anti-drone technology and their uses, individuals and organizations can better protect themselves against the potential risks posed by drones. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press bell icon for more interesting videos.